Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a web application with Heroku, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by installing the necessary software on your computer. Begin with downloading and installing Git from git-scm.com. Next, install node.js from nodejs.org. Ensure you have a code editor installed, such as Visual Studio Code. Create a new directory for your web application. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the newly created directory using the command line. Run git init to initialize a new Git repository. Use npm init to create a basic package.json file for your application. Install Express, a web framework for Node.js, by running npm install express. Create a new file named app.js in your project directory. Open app.js in your code editor. Add the following code to set up a simple Express server. Require Express with const express equals require express. Initialize your app by adding const app equals express. Set a port number by adding const port equals process.env.port 3000. Create a basic route to respond to requests by adding app.get /req res equals res.send hello world. Start your server by adding app.listen port equals console.log server is running on port. Test your application locally by running node app.js in the terminal. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. If you see hello world, your application is running successfully. Next, create a procfile for Heroku by adding a new file named procfile without any extension. Inside that file, add the line web node app.js to specify how to run your app. Install the Heroku CLI from Heroku.com if you haven't already. Log into your Heroku account by running Heroku login in your terminal. Create a new Heroku application with the command Heroku create. Initialize a Git repository if not done already by running git init. Add your files to the Git repository by executing git add. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.